All right, guys, it's March, and that means March Madness. And for someone who doesn't play sports ball or watch sports ball, I don't know what that means. But you know what I do understand? I understand good music. So instead of March Madness, let's do some March Sadness. Over on Never a Phase Network's website, we are running brackets to do a March Madness, but for emo bands. The bands that are selected were picked by the Never a Phase Network members, so you can fill out your bracket starting on the 15th, and starting on the 17th you can start voting for who you think the emo band March Sadness champion should be. If you don't understand sports ball like me, but everyone around you is talking about brackets and March Madness, do this instead.